Whoa. There's a bird right here. There's two of them. Well, get him. He's pointing. We suck. Now one. You get it? Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Here. Got it. Hopper. Come. Awesome. Be careful down below. Copper, dead bird.
Is he bringing a dog bird back?
We did two last year.
Yeah, it's in the middle of that tree right there. That big tree. It fell on that big tree.
You ought to find it then.
That's pretty cool, don't it?
Mm-hmm. They shoot like we do, though.
They're not that bad, I guarantee you that.
No, we're worse. Good boy! That's a good puppy. Hey, boy. What's wrong? Did you get it for him? Did you get it? That's a good puppy. You won't.
How you train him to point and all? You send him somewhere or you do it yourself?
I did it myself.
Tremendous.
I had some quail. You know, they never killed one of them.
Is that right?
Yeah. You put this in my bag.
You know what, Mark? We ought to go somewhere and let these guys go ahead and get their limits in.